time na ma-entry because landslide, stone is falling down.
Right now we're in Iligan City, Mindanao, Philippines. It's almost 9 a.m. I'm way too late. Trying to make my way on a bicycle to 2 different waterfalls. The furthest one is about 15 to 20 kilometers away. And I have a really shitty bike. Don't be fooled by the cool looks. It's a really crappy bike. Oh, dang. Saying it's a really crappy bike. The other day I was riding it a little bit outside of town and one of the pedals fell off right while I was riding it. I was lucky because I was not going too fast, so I didn't hurt myself, but it could have been really bad if I was climbing. Hello. Could have been really bad if I was climbing. Okay, everybody wants to be on the vlog. Could have been really bad if I was climbing a hill or if I was going downhill. But yeah, I was lucky I didn't injure myself. It's not common for people to rent bicycles here. They only sell bicycles or repair bicycles, but none of them rent bicycles. But I was able to kind of arrange something with a shop owner, but since it's not a common business for them, they only had a shitty bike. So we're gonna try and make it there. 15 to 20 kilometers, but a big part of it is climbing up, so I don't even know if I'll be able to make it, but we'll try it. Also, I left much later than what I wanted. I wanted to avoid the midday heat and the heavy sun, but it is what it is. I want to check out the waterfall, so let's go. They're looking for gold. Are you looking for gold? Gold? No? What? All right, not sure what he's looking for or what they're looking for, but must be precious. All right, let's keep going. Oh, don't tell anyone I crossed on the red light. Don't call the police on me. I just realized I didn't buy water. Hopefully we find a sari-sari nearby. Is this one here? Right here. Hello. Big water?
Water?
Yeah, yeah.
25.
Alright, let's keep going. Huh? What is this? Construction, police checkpoint. What is it? Okay, it's a one-way bridge because of the constructions. Damn. I guess I'll have to wait my turn. Hey, the ocean is right here. How far are we? Oh no, I went too far. I have to go back. The Maria Christina Falls.
Maria Christina Falls, sir. Yes, sir.
I can keep going this way?
Oh, left side.
And then I can go to Tinago?
Oh.
After, oh.
Tinago. Dahan pa, layo pa. Okay, sir.
Okay. Salamat. All right. We'll do what the local police suggests and not what Google Maps says. Jeez. Maybe it's up to the left here. I'll ask these police over there as well, just in case, because I don't know if I keep going straight or if I turn left.
Hi, sir. Good morning.
Hi, how are you? Good morning.
Bisaya lang kita, kaya di kita kuha sa English na eh.
Come on, shake your body, baby, do that conga.
Speak Bisaya?
Hindi.
No? Hindi. Tagalog.
No, I'm just joking. And so I just want to ask you to go to the Maria Christina Falls. I go this way?
Sir, this time no entry because landslide stone is falling down.
There's a landslide.
Oh yeah.
As of now, there is
You cannot enter Maria Christina.
I
No
cannot.
entry.
Can I go to Tinago Falls?
Oh yeah.
Tinago is.
Tinago.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's there.
This way?
This way. Then you climb
I have to climb the mountain. Yeah.
After there is a bridge.
Okay.
After you can
Lane
ask
naman.
somebody there.
Lane naman.
Then
Okay.
there is the Tinago.
Okay. Salamat po.
Yes, sir.
Oh. Kabalo sa Bisaya kay maglisod ang English nimo.
No. Just a few words.
Yes,
Thank
sir.
you. Have a good day. Amping. Damn, this truck is full of motorbikes. Okay, so I guess we can keep going this way. I just realized that I haven't had breakfast. I just left in a hurry because I was late. So maybe I'll stop just here and see if I can get like a quick bite. Nothing too heavy because otherwise it's gonna be rough. Hello.
Hello.
This baboy
Baboy.
and this baboy
Baboy.
with
Tinago.
like a stew. Okay. And this pancit
Pansit.
bihon.
Oh, bihon.
Vegetable with baboy
Oh.
and vegetables with baboy.
Baboy.
Okay. Also baboy.
Baboy.
Okay. Specialty is pork and here fish.
Fish. Umbak.
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 Umbak. This
This.
is there milk inside? Milk or
Gata. Gata.
tatak?
Lubi.
Lubi.
Iyo. Oh.
Lubi.
Lubi iyo. Singan anak.
Coconut milk. Oh, thank you. Because the milk make me.
No milk.
Okay, I will try this. It looks good. How much is it?
60.
60?
60, sir.
Okay, sorry. Yeah, this should be good. We got some rice now. See a spoon. Spoon. So this is like stewed pork in coconut milk. I think there's like ginger, garlic. I think there's garlic and some green beans. Very good. A little bit spicy. Must be a little bit of chili. Not much, but a little bit. Lami. Hmm?
Do you know how to speak Bisaya?
No.
You know what is baboy?
Ano baboy? Ano lamin? Ano manok?
Ayan.
That's it. Oh no, it's okay. It's okay. No problem. Mm. They see me sweating. Okay, okay. You already brought it. I will take it. Ooh. Salamat. Oh, hopefully you don't get wind in the microphone. I think these little ceiling fans don't work. They went to get the fan from the next shop. The mix of garlic, ginger, and coconut milk. Very nice. Normally I would probably get like a second dish, like maybe a dish with more vegetables, or maybe the pancit bihon, the small vermicelli noodles. But I don't want to eat too much and feel too heavy when I'm riding, especially that I'm going to be climbing. Oh, I think I ate too quickly. But I don't want to take too much time, because the longer I wait, the hotter it's going to get. The harder it's going to be. Time to go. How much is
60.
this? 60? And the rice? 15?
15 rice.
Oh, really? Okay.
75. Salamat.
Salamat. Sorry, to Tinago.
Falls?
Yeah. Okay. Salamat. Maybe it's the food gods that made me stop here, because the road to the falls is right there. We just passed it by a few meters. For some reason, just at that moment, I felt like stopping here to get some food. But if I kept going, I would have done another detour, and it's right here, so the food gods are with me. Hey, thank you. Hello. Oh, nice tuna. Hey, fresh tuna. And like sardines, I think, or a little fishy. All right. So I think this is where the climb is gonna start. This is where it's gonna. Oh, little goats. Woo, that's gonna be steep. That's gonna be steep. And it's just the start. Oh geez. This is gonna be rough. Let's go. Right after eating. I thought I still had a little bit of flat road to go. That will teach me. Oh no. What a shitty bike. Okay, I got it back on. You can't do this mid-slope. How can I get back on it? Jeez. Whew. I have a feeling that I might do a little bit of walking. Holy shit. Oh no. Ah, that's not happening. Holy f. If I had a little bit of momentum before the slope, and if the chain didn't get off the gears, I might have been able to power through, but not like that. Oh, shit. The sun is hitting hard right now. Good thing I put some FPS 50 or something. Just trying to gain a little bit of momentum before the next slope. Jeez. Panting ASMR video. Oh, I don't even know if I should go left here. Oh, Tinago Falls, this way. We're on the right way. Hello. Oh, there's a little flat here. I can gain a little bit of momentum again.
But first, let me take a
Mississippi. And another one. Let's keep going. All right. I just checked the map, and it says that we have only 3.6 kilometers left. All right, momentum here. Slow down, school zone. Hell no. No, don't start. Hello. 3.6 kilometers, but I think there's going to be a lot of climbing like this. Bike is making weird noises. Don't give up on me, shitty bike. Not yet. I think the chain is too long, so sometimes it skips a cog. The bottom bracket, I think, is cracked or damaged, and now the squeaking sound, I think, is the left pedal or left pedal crank. You can do it. You can do it, shitty bike. You can power through. It's going down a little bit. Because it goes up. All right. Let's gain some momentum. Oh, shit. Shift in, not smooth. Hello. Again, it got off again. You're gonna do this on f***ing hills like this? I lose all my momentum. The little bit I had, you're gonna take it away from me. F*** you, shitty bike. F*** you. Jeez. Back to the panting ASMR. Tinago Bel Air. It's fancy. Wonder if there's a Tinago Fresh Prince. course, it keeps going up. And the sun is coming out again. Jeez. Tell me that past this curve is going down. Please tell me that. It looks like it could be going down a little bit. No, it's not going down. It's still going up. Screw me. I need to stop and get some water. Not a good spot to stop, but I have to. In the shades here. Oh, shit. I think I'm gonna need to buy a new bottle as soon as I see another shop. I don't like this sound. Oh, the little puppy. Hello, little puppy. No. All right. All right. No hello to you, but hello, puppy. Oh, he's chasing me now. No. Please let me find a little shop. Oh. Dang. Is that it? Is that a little sari? It looks like it. Don't growl. Hello? Hello?
Hi.
Oh, I didn't see you. You have water?
No, water.
No?
Diyan sa
Huh? Further? Yeah? Sari? Water. Okay. Okay. Salamat. Amping. Stop growling. Okay. So there's less than 2 kilometers left. What is this sound? Oh, there's a little breeze. There's a cloud and a little breeze. Baby, thank you. This area is really nice, really peaceful. Maybe here. Hello. Hello. Hi. Hello. Do you have a water bottle?
No.
No? Okay. Other store. All right. Thank you. Maybe this one. What is it so hard to... Hello. Do you have water? No. Is there water there? Yeah. Okay. What?
Morning.
Hello, good morning. How are you?
I'm good.
Do they have water here?
Yes.
No? Yeah? You think so?
Then in so big. You want 1 bottle of water?
Yeah.
1 bottle of water?
Salamat. That's a nice tattoo. Big one?
30.
30?
30 bucks.
It's more expensive in the area here. In Iligan is 20
Yes.
and here is 30. There's some tax here.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You need to drink water.
Huh?
You need to drink water for you to dehydrate.
Yes, that's the plan. Thank you. Salamat. Amping.
Amping.
All right, we got water. Damn, I just stopped for a minute and just got off my seat to stand up and my seat is already burning hot. Yeah! He was not impressed by my dance moves. Speed limit 20. I think I should be able to control myself to not go over that limit. Hello, how are you? You see all those little like teepees? They're all like shelters for fighting cocks. Well, you can hear them. But you see, this little triangle plays the role of a hut. Oh, you see some fighting cocks. And on top, there's like this little blue pipe. You know how cocks like to get on the high point to sing? You know, like those old school images of the rooster on top of the barn. And so sometimes they can stay in the shades under the teepee or whatever. And sometimes they can stand on top of that pipe. All right, let's keep going. My seat is probably burning by now. This is annoying as Welcome to Tinago Falls this way. Entrance fee 30, life jacket 30, free bottle of water. Yo, and I just paid 30 pesos for a bottle of water. This way? Ah, okay. Thank you. Hey. Hello. How are you?
Hi.
Oh.
Sir.
I vlog.
I vlog.
Welcome to Tinago Falls.
Thank you.
You want water?
I have water. Yeah. The sign says if I pay the entrance, I get a free water bottle.
No. The other side, sir. The other side. Sanctuary.
The sanctuary.
Yes.
If I go to the sanctuary, I pay and I get a free water bottle.
They don't have receipt.
Official receipt.
They don't have official receipt?
Yes.
Okay. But I get a free water bottle.
I don't think so. It was a prank.
Huh?
They don't
just a
have
prank.
facilities.
It's a prank?
downstairs.
Yes.
It's a prank. That's a good prank.
And they don't
Jeez.
have facilities downstairs.
If you will go there,
Yeah.
then you are going to poop downstairs. Then you need to pay.
To poop?
Yes.
Use the CR?
The CR.
yes.
Oh, okay. I might need to poop later, so that's good to know. So how much is the entrance fee?
60.
60.
And you have vehicle?
Kasama dyan.
Car.
Yeah.
Car.
Big car. Sure.
Our parking fee.
Yeah, like a bus. It's almost
Yeah,
like a bus, right? Yeah, it's a bus.
It's
Yeah.
20 pesos.
Okay, guys, everybody in the bus, get out. Get out. We arrived now. We need to park the bus. 60.
Including the life jacket, sir.
Huh? Including the... I need the life jacket?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Can I have your name?
Justin.
Bieber.
Bieber.
Justin, can I have your family name?
Bieber.
You're kidding.
Yeah, no, it's true. He was named after me because I'm older than him. So he's like Justin Bieber 2. I'm the first one.
First one.
Yeah.
He's the junior, the second.
Hey, exactly.
Una-una mong favorite, awa.
Yeah.
Hala na, Pina.
Thank you.
Over there, sir.
Yeah.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
Device is ready to pair. Can I have your receipt? Receipt.
I put it in my bag.
Okay.
Is it okay? You saw me pay the
Okay. No
Okay.
need, no
Okay,
need.
thank you.
Okay. Mabuhay! Welcome to our hidden falls, and also known as the Tinago Falls. Our hidden falls is 240 feet long and 90 feet deep. Our hidden falls have stairs that will take you down within 355 steps. We also have a bamboo raft that you can ride, but you need to ask the people who in charge to pull it in. We recommend our guide here that bring your life vest down and up here. They also watch over your belongings down there. Our guide doesn't work here because they are just only volunteers, and they have also rate within 200 pesos in each guide. If you like their services, you can tip them in any amount. The money they get from you, they use to buy food for their families. Thank you for visiting us here, Cebu City. Once again, mabuhay! Welcome to our hidden falls, and also known as the Tinago Falls.
Wow! Clap, 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 clap.
Thank
Very
you for
good.
appreciating my orientation.
Oh, salamat po.
Salamat po. Okay.
This is the
She's your guide.
I don't need a guide, right?
Okay.
I can go without a guide?
It's up to you.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. Sorry. Hey, thank you so much. A demon friends once said, Maya ka na umuwi, minsan lang to. All right. Okay, so it seems like we have to go 355 steps, but mostly that means I'm gonna have to climb 355 steps to come back up here and then ride my bike back. Damn, we're not done. All right, let's start descending. They still have Valentine's Day decorations. Those are staying up for a long time. Where's the Christmas tree? It's like brand new stairs and metal railings. I heard about the 355 steps, but in my head I thought it was gonna be like almost like a trail, or like little stone steps and a trail. I didn't expect to have like a fancy staircase, stairway, whatever. Hello. She's done. No more climbing. Hello. Woo, it looks steep down there. I can see the waterfall through the branches. You can definitely hear it. All right. Climbing on my bike, going down on stairs, then going back up on stairs, then going down on my bike. Hello.
Hello.
How was the waterfall?
So
It was good? So nice? All right. Yeah, I'm looking forward to that, because I've been sweating like crazy. Oh, man. Cheer up. On the way up. Look at this. Stairs through the jungle. I didn't count the steps, so I don't know how many are left. They tried to have you get a guide to go down to the waterfall, but I like to explore on my own and carry my own stuff. Plus, I feel like whenever I go somewhere and there's like a guide, I feel like there's like someone waiting for me, so I can't really take my time and enjoy myself and just take it easy. I feel like that person is waiting for me to be done, so she or he can get another customer or whatnot. And it seems like most locals don't use a guide. Those three guys who just came back, the couple with the little girl, it seems like nobody's getting a guide. Well, me neither. Woo, look at this view. We're almost there. The water's so blue. Holy jeez. Look at this. Wow. This is so blue. Hello, good morning. How are you? Thank you.
Can I check your receipt?
It's in my bag. Do I really have to take it out?
Just want to check if there's a table.
There's a table?
Yeah. Or do you want to rent a table?
No, I don't need a table. So how much I would have paid if I wanted a table?
100 pesos.
It's not a big deal. It's not a big amount. But it's like 200 for the guy. That's like $4. Then $2 for a table. But I see now they have those little picnic tables, and I guess you can have an umbrella. You probably have to pay an extra for the umbrella. Wow, this is so nice. The rocks are all wet, probably from the mist. Wow, it's amazing. It's beautiful. Holy crap. And you can get on the raft at the entrance or whatever. They said you can ask the local to get on the raft. I wouldn't be surprised if you have to pay extra for the raft as well. Wow, this is so impressive. It's beautiful, and the blue water. Woo! And it goes all the way around. It's like smaller creeks and waterfalls. And then you got the main one there. And another small one over there. Wow. Let me see if I can find a little spot in the shade to sit down and put down my bag. I think I found a cute little spot there. Here. This looks like a chair. There we go. Found the dream spot. All right, I got my life vest. Let's go for a dip. Woo, it's cold. Holy crap. I was not prepared for this. It feels good, but it's cold as woo! Yo, let me actually take you with me. Oh, it feels so good. Once your body is used to the cold water, it feels so good. And look at this. Oh, it looks like there's like a cave there. Oh man, what a view. Let's see if we can get in. Yo, I feel like the current is taking me towards the waterfall. I don't know much about waterfalls, but I feel like it's slowly dragging me towards the waterfall. Alright, I think I'm gonna put you in my little pocket here, because I think it'll be hard for me to swim by holding the camera like this, and I'm worried that I'm gonna drop it. And if I drop it, I don't have a string or something to catch it. Oh, look at this view. It's gonna be a little bit intense to go through. Whoa! I made it. Made it to the tiny cave. Woo! Doesn't go very deep, but it's an accomplishment still. Look at this view. Holy crap, it's nice. It's so beautiful. Wow. I don't know if you can hear me well. I don't know if you can see me well, but this was definitely worth the bike ride. Woo! It's like a creek. A little bit of water coming through the cave, and it's not as cold as the water from the waterfall. It's like warmer. I wonder if we can see an opening somewhere. No. Yo, what an incredible spot. I don't know, this place is like hypnotic. I've been sitting in this cave for, I don't know, I feel like maybe it's been like half an hour. I have no idea. I'm just kind of listening to the waterfall, looking at the trees and the water and the blue water, and I get lost in my thoughts. But I know they will kick me out before 5 p.m. so we should be okay. I'm actually curious to see if I can get closer to the water, the main waterfall. I'm trying to get closer. The current is, I was wrong, it was not dragging me towards the, or maybe it drags me towards the center, but here I'm having a hard time getting closer. Look at this view. Wow. I know I'm repeating myself, but definitely worth the bike ride. The sweat. Oh wait, we gotta get a thumbnail. I forgot the thumbnail. Oh, is that a good thumbnail? Oh, is it dramatic enough? The sign says if I pay the entrance, I get a free water. I'm thinking about going on the other side because this little corner where I was became very sunny. I don't want to burn more than I have to. Oh. Oh. Oh, we can't go there? Huh? No. It's closed? No. Why?
What if you want to?
Huh? Oh, I can cross there? Okay. Huh? Oh, this way, okay. Oh, salamat. So somehow it's closed, but if I want, I can jump the fence. Not sure how that works. Here we should be in the shades. Now there's a cloud, so over there it's not so bad. But as soon as the cloud moves, it becomes very hot over there. Don't want to burn. I know I'm gonna have to ride in the sun on the way back. The view from here is really nice too. Look at this. Wow. Damn, this is one tall tree right there. It's already past 2 p.m. Time flies here. Also, I have no internet connection whatsoever, so it's like a nice little corner of paradise where you're fully disconnected from the internet and the rest of the world. So I should start thinking about heading back, but I'm gonna need energy for that. So I got myself a fancy little picnic. I brought some chippy barbecue flavored corn chips. It's like Fritos. It's very similar to Fritos. I've been in Asia for more than 7 years now, and I haven't seen Fritos anywhere. This is the closest thing to it. It's pretty good. I got some grab nuts, because we all need to grab nuts. Every day. Grab nuts, baby. Some roasted almonds. And last night at the market, I got myself some rambutan. Whoa. Oh, shit. The whole bag ripped. If you're not familiar with this fruit, it's a very funky, exotic, alien looking fruit that always adds a lot of ants. Hey, ants, because it's very sweet. So basically you just twist it open like this, yeah, and it cracks up. And look at this. It's like a white, yellowish jelly-ish fruit. A little bit of juice in the shell. Has a texture that's a little bit similar to lychee, but the taste is less floral, a little bit more sour, but still very sweet. And inside you got like a pit like this. Rambutans are very good. I love rambutan. But you gotta be careful when you open them. Sometimes you will find some little worms. It's not dangerous, but I like rambutan, not rambutan worms. Very nice, very refreshing, very fancy lunch. So while I'm at it, while I'm showing you exotic food, might as well show you the chippies. It's exactly like Fritos. I like it. By the way, if there's anyone working at Chippy or Jack and Jill and you want to sponsor a YouTuber, hit me up. I like your product. I could wear a Chippy t-shirt while I'm vlogging. Call me. So good. See what I can do? Oh, forget about Fritos. This is so much better. Ooh, those chippies are hitting the spot. Looks like this guy is trying to climb to that platform or something. He jumped in the water with his jeans. Dang. Dang. He's pretty good. I don't think I'd be confident enough to do that. Is he gonna jump? Oh. Whoa. Yo. I think it would scare me to jump from there, but I think climbing there would be the part that scares me the most. Slippery, wet rocks. So I guess that's another thing you can do here. I didn't really go for that because, I don't know. Doesn't seem that exciting. So they probably can go all the way there, and this one all the way there, but... Oh shit, they actually go all the way to the foot of the fall. Oh, damn, I didn't know they could go all the way there. I thought it was attached to the rope. They can go right under the fall. Oh, that's pretty cool. I should have done that. All right, shit, I'm going for it.
You go into waterproof?
Yeah, it's waterproof. Thank you. Hello.
You anak ko ni.
So how much is it again?
200 sir.
200? Okay. Oh, you have some funky
Artist.
so cute. Your test? Your wife test on your toes? Okay. Oh. Let me help a little bit with one hand. Oh, he's also pushing? Wow. So you're the engine. And the motorboat is getting windy. Yo. Whoa! Let's go! Rainbows everywhere. Woo! Oh! Yeah, it's hard to breathe. It's almost like being waterboarded. Woo! Getting a waterfall massage. Whoa! I want to try that, but I have to get off my... It's okay? Okay. Woo! Okay. I'm going to try it. That's intense. We're going back. The captain says we're going back. Holy crap. Holy crap. This is beautiful. I have to put this back, right? Alright. Thank you. Salamat po. Wow, that was intense. Waterfall massage. I recommend it. Feels very nice. But I have to say, when we first got under the waterfall, there was like a moment where I can barely see like a meter ahead of me and the water falling. Like even the guy is saying like it's difficult breathing. It feels like you're getting waterboarded. Like I had to like kind of focus and calm down and eventually find a little pocket where there's less water falling. It's very interesting. Okay, I think it's around 3:30. Still need to climb 355 steps, and we still need to ride back, ideally before sunset. All right, let's get going. Pick up my life jacket and my trash. If there's one thing I really hate is littering. There's a lot of this going on here, well, in most of Southeast Asia. And I was looking for a bin around here and there's none, and they told me I have to bring my garbage back up. I guess it's a good way to keep an eye on people, and if they leave stuff behind or trash or whatever, there's always a little bit that's left, you know. There's like a little bit of plastic there. It's too bad, but it's good to keep the rules tighter about this, because this is such a beautiful place. It'd be so sad to have it completely ruined by a bunch of like empty bottles and plastic bags and this all over the place. I also saw one of the staff flick a cigarette in the water. I was blown away. I was about to jump in the water, get it. Like oh, let me get it. I was like, you always do that? It's crazy. All right, let's get there. All right. Oh, wait, I pay you, or where do I pay? Huh? I pay you?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Can you show me your belly? It's 200, right?
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you. See you again. One last look at this beautiful place. Goodbye, waterfall. Goodbye. I'll miss you. All right. Stair climbing time. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. See you again. Good luck sa exciting part. This is the hard part right now.
Yeah.
All right. Let's fast forward this part. Oh, geez. Wait, I don't remember it was there. Did it just fall and break part of the stairs? Anyways. Yo, my legs are already burning. I don't know how much is left, but whoo! Whoa. Hello.
How's your adventure there?
It was great. It was great. I love this place. I put the life jacket there. Oh, I give it to you. And the garbage. Oh, you will take it too?
Yes.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Do you have fun and enjoy there?
Yeah, it was great. It was great. I definitely will come back.
Yes.
Yeah. All right, you know what? Let's try a little hyperlapse of the way down. I think it'll be interesting rather than just seeing the same thing again at the same speed. That was super quick. Probably like 20 times faster than it took me to get up there. It was a fun ride. It's very refreshing too with the breeze and everything. Now I think I'm gonna spare you the rest of the ride. Like it's like a big road. It's probably not gonna be that interesting. We're gonna call it a day. I hope you found this video interesting, entertaining, informative, something. If so, give it a like, give it a thumbs up, and I'll catch you.